Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Teresa here from Scrappy Little Risa. Craft Room Tour. Let's begin. I have my Canon and my HP here. Those are the printers that I use. One is for photo printing, the other one is for paper printing. Next to that, we have my old school, gifted to me by my father-in-law, typewriter. It is an SR 3000. I need to get a ribbon for it so that I can start using it on my layouts. Okay, what else do we have here? Coming up is going to be the area where I use for my inks and stuff. So what you see here are all of my ink pads and my little dabber, and that's my Tim Holtz ink spreader. I don't know the technical term for that thing. Up top you see the sprinkles, the little sequins that I use for shakers. You see my ink cleaner, and all the stuff for doing basic mixed media. So guys, those shelves, those dark brown shelves, are built by my sister. She's awesome with woodwork. I'm pointing out to you guys how my photo is hung crooked because I'm just not good at hanging photos. Alright, on this next shelf is my sprays by Recollections, Heidi Swap, and I think the other one is a Shimmers, I believe. They came in Hip Kit Club. I used to subscribe to that. Okay, Gold Heidi Shine. Shake, shake, shake. Shouts out to Adele from Inky Quill. That's her song. Next, we're moving on to my desk. This is a new addition, guys. I put this here because my husband and I both needed an area to work for when we're doing work from home. So this is going to be where we put our laptops and connect to the monitor so we can do our work. Over here is my bookshelf. This is another new addition. I have basic overflow of supplies. So what I'm pointing to is medicine sleeves, prescription sleeves are what they're called. I use them to make an album. I can't show it to you because I sent it to my aunt. Next is hole punch albums that I need to do. And the shelf below it has a laminator, hole punch, an album. There's my Cricut. And those Studio Calico bags are the cords. I'm pointing out to you my little bin that I keep my son's crafts in. Those are my medals and where I hang carnival things. This bin has all of the umpteen trillion billion thickers that I have to use. I will not be buying another thicker, guys. That's just way too many. I color-coded them, and they're there on the top shelf. This is Heidi Swap's planner labels and reinforcers and extra scrap paper. Here on this one, on my Rascock, is all the pictures that I need to scrap. Those are my punches. It's a little thing I got from IKEA that holds it, and all of those little containers that are hanging are from IKEA. This one has my tiny attachers and my tools. This one is a corner rounder and a hole punch and my Brad's fastener. The one below it, I'm going to, after I move the trash can, is it has my scoring tool, my mixed media thing, all kind of different tools. All right, as I'm making you sick here, going around and around, I'll pull out my Rascards and do a different video for that. All right, so here is, I wish I have time to tell you the story of this. All right, so this is an outlight. Yeah, an outlight. It's just hanging over my desk to give me more lighting. I have that on that side, then I have a ring on the other side and another outlight on my table. In this bucket is all of the embellishments that I'm currently using on the layouts that I'm doing. And as I'm just flipping through there to show you guys what it is. Next to that is the container that has all of my markers, and then my pens, and then this little gray container has paper that I punched out. Oh, I'm showing you my markers and pens. The little gray container has paper that I've punched or stamped on, and I have to keep that there to go to. All right, that album I'm working on, the little blue thing, has embellishments in there. Here's more embellishments. I need to organize this better. Like, I'm pulling out the drawers to show you guys what's in them, but I need to organize it better. Like, they're kind of mixed in. There's really no rhyme or reason. They're just all in there right now. On top is a Heidi Swap little mini album that I need to put some pictures on. And then the next little thing, the black circle that I'm going to grab, is a stand for the tablets that I use when I'm scrapping to watch videos. Here is my tiny word stickers. Those don't have a house or a home right now. I have to figure out where I'm going to put those. Maybe in the container, or maybe I need another acrylic container to organize more things. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, there's the other odd light. I keep my glue in there along with my little tablets so that I can jot down notes. As you can see, some of them are in there for measurements for a mini album and how to create things. Oh guys, I love doing this. So every time I get any kind of card, I punch a hole in it, I put it on a ring, and I hang it on these hooks. One of them holds my shades. All right, next is a bucket full of embellishments. Like, I haven't even opened them yet. All right, these clear containers have buttons, sequins, and then the top one is wood embellishments, wood veneers, and then there's a whole container of washi. I don't think I have enough washi. Here's the painting that I did at a paint and twist. And next is a trimmer that I don't use. I don't like, what I found out is that I don't like the rotary trimmers. Like, I don't like how they work. So I don't use that one very often. If it's the only one that I can find, then I'll use it. I don't really like that either. It's a Memory Keeper's card punch, but I don't really like it. Doesn't work very well for me. All right, next is the 4x6 cards for Project Life. It's just the whole container of them. I need to organize them, as well as my 3x4s. I need to find a better system to organize them because it's like over full, like really, really full. Next, I'm going to give you my gelatos, give you a tour of those. So what I did with my gelatos is I numbered each of them with a sticker, and then I made like a, I don't know what you call it. I swatched them, numbered them, and then put each color so that I'll know what they look like on paper. So I keep that hanging above my desk along with acrylic shape cutter. Okay, moving on to this IKEA Calyx. Those are all of the current albums that I'm working with. Those are all my trimmers. This is paper pads that are full, like a complete set that I'm going to use for a project. Here is my stamps. Those are stamps. Below it is my archival mini inks. Then I'm going to show you this black bag. It's my travel scrapbook bag. This is the cord for my selfie, my Canon selfie, that sits on top of the extra paper and the printer itself. And moving on, here are all of my stamp sets, my acrylic stamp sets, and my blocks. I need to find a better system for that too. Down below are the mini projects that I have to complete that I am working on. There's 3 trays full, guys, and I need to get them done. Baby album is coming up next. Here are just some extra supplies, maybe in a giveaway. Those are my scraps. Those 3 bags are more scraps. I need to organize those as well. Go through them. All right, where are we going next? Okay, up here. Oh, yearbooks. So I used to be the yearbook advisor. I'm a teacher. And so those are the yearbooks that I produced when I was teaching middle school. Next to that are all of the albums that I've done, like either just photo albums in general or created on either Snapfish or Shutterfly. Those 2 black ones are empty. All right, here are more albums, and these are the ones that I have actually scrapbooked. I need to label that one. More albums that are all full. Okay, now all of these are empty. So those set of 6x8s are the ones that I'm using for 2017. I just need to print the pictures from Persnickety. 8x10s that is empty, more albums that are empty. And these are all of the 12x12 page inserts. And here is where I keep all of my cardstock. And below that is, I think those are, oh, stencils, 12x12 stencils, more albums. That's all of my chipboard. And these are extra inserts for my planner and letter stickers. I don't know what those are. Here we go. This drawer is full of 4x4 or 6x8 album material. And here's more 6x8 album material, just albums that I need to be working on. These pens, oh, we cruise a lot, guys, a lot. So every time we cruise, we get a pen from Carnival, and this is where we keep the pens. This one is my favorite because it's from my birthday. I went on a birthday cruise with the girls, and that's the pen that I got. This is the little shawl my sister graduated and gave to me. Graduated from college. These are the albums for my 2018. Can't start 2018, so I'll finish with 2017. All three of those that my hand are on are Christmas album. The top one is summer. Scrapbook material. Extra tape for my ATG, which I don't use. I don't like using the ATG, guys. It irritates me because I can't get the refill to work. This album is completed. It's just an album that I stuck pictures inside, but it doesn't fit down with the rest of them. Okay, there's the W for Walter. That green bin has a lot of Heidi Swipe in it. That's just random embellishments, and this one is empty. This is that metal piece that was on top of the calyx, and it has all of my Allie Edwards story kits. And at the back, I have just 2 paper pads, 4x6 of primary colors. I need to join Precisely Tashi and Crystal in their story kit crush and get those kits crushed because I haven't used them. The top drawer is all of my 4x6 pads from Studio Calico and some Project Life acrylics. And then what else is there? Oh, my 6x6 pads, and then on the side is a 6x8, I think, card pad. Like, I don't use it to make cards. I just use it as photo mats. And then those other 2 that I'm pulling at right now, from a long time ago, I don't remember who made them, but I got them off of HSN, and they already have like titles and things, and you just basically put a picture on them and go about your business. All right, so here are the albums, the mini albums that I need to be finishing up. And these are the ones that are already done, along with these 4x4s that need to be labeled. And then some more that I've created, some mini albums. That one's my favorite. Okay, moving on. No, I'm not. I'm going to stay here and show you all of the albums. Cruise 2007. All right, moving on. Oh, I'm going to pull out this album. This was a fitness album. Oh, I'll have to tell you that story. Maybe when I scrap it. So this was one of my favorite fitness albums that I did. I kept it up really, really good. I'm going to flip through there and show you a couple of pages. The story behind that is so funny. Okay, moving right along to ending, giving you an overview of the craft space. So the new and improved semi-organized craft room. Oh, here's the vinyl door hanger. And that's the end of the craft room tour, guys. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.